Get up on Dyson now while you can, because they used to be $500 or $600, and I won't pay that. So I just can't pay even $400 for a vacuum. I don't care how many turbos it has on it. But for $200, we're talking. I'll talk to you about it. That's crazy.
It's just crazy.
Throw that in the box.
Or don't have to.
Throw it in the box. Throw that in the box. Throw that in the box. 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 Box.
Hello, Dyson.
It's our first Dyson. Feels like a new motorcycle.
It's shiny like one.
And we can even do.
Let's see what happens. See it? Yeah. Hit the GoPro.
Cleanness. I'm gonna.
Is that like a thing that's so cute? You just put it in my face. Here you go.
I gave you a minute.
This is what you buy when you buy Dyson. For transparency and high definition purposes. That is from the least trafficked room in the house. That is probably more than the prior vacuum took from the living room, which is technically the cesspool compared to any of the rooms in the house. A comfortable vacuum of the bedroom, and you have a snowball of Ebola. I mean, talk about a prank. Slap somebody in the face with this right here.
Look at the way it's shaped,
Yeah,
too.
it's
Isn't
like
that cool?
molded in certain shapes. That's just crazy.
It's from coming out of here.
Dyson
filter or whatever it is.
makes male specimens get excited about its turbine. I need this technology on my car, my race car. I'd make 200 more horsepower.
That's just gross.
This is crazy. Fucking Dyson, $199 at Walmart. You can't beat it. I think right now they're on sale because they're ruling out their cord vacuums and going to cordless. We don't care. We have kids. We just want this out of our floor. We don't need cordless units. That being said, if you want to take this out of your master bedroom, get up on Dyson now while you can, because they used to be $500 or $600, and I won't pay that. So I just can't pay even $400 for a vacuum. I don't care how many turbos it has on it. But for $200, we're talking. I'll talk to you about it. That's crazy.
It's just gross.
Absolutely outstanding. Just like, what do you think? I'll know when I'm done with the bedroom. Well. Alright, I figured I'd go ahead and film the commentary outro with the sports car in the background. I hope you liked the video. We love the vacuum for $200. I have no complaints whatsoever. It's about what I'm used to paying for any other product or any other vacuum I've ever bought. It's very rare that you get a good vacuum for 120 to 170 bucks. So with the Dyson, we're very happy. It picked up a lot. It was very quick to put together, given that we usually don't start out with instructions. We only fall back to them if we end up running into speed bumps as far as like how to put it together with your own eyes. But great product. Was at Walmart on sale. It's probably been about a month or so since I did this filming. I'm just now getting around to editing it. But I do a little bit of everything else. I am an automotive vlogger. I do cars. I do my 240. We've got a Camaro now. The estate sale Camaro. We got the truck, and we're doing a lot of racing lately too. We got some more races coming up. So if you do like racing and stuff, if you like household items, typical items that most families buy regardless of what vlogging you do, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you give us a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We do this stuff all the time. I try to get reviews in basically of everything we buy, so that, obviously my reviews of household items are a lot more popular right now than my automotive vlogs. So I keep them up just because I know people are enjoying them and they are getting very excessive traffic versus the rest of my material. Again, if this is helpful, if you liked it, if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. I'm happy to answer any questions. I usually get back to you within a business day, if not less, because I see my notifications now. Other than that, like I said, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. That's how we get through to YouTube and stuff, versus sharing on social media sites and everything. So I thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the end links and make sure you hit the subscribe button for me. Thanks for watching. Do it for the people.